Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, hey girl. If this is your first time seeing me, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe because I know you're gonna like this video.
Hey, what's up y'all? Let's go ahead and jump right into this video and give y'all this bomb ass full drugstore makeup look. So the first product that I am gonna use is gonna be my Urban Decay. Okay, so yeah, I did say it was gonna, but when I went to the drugstore, well, when I went to Walmart, excuse me, let me say that, when I went to Walmart, they didn't have any eyeshadow primers. So I didn't get anything. I try to find a good one, or if you guys know of a good one, go ahead and leave it down in the comment box so I can go ahead and try it out. But I've been really loving the eyeshadow primer on my lid instead of the concealer. So again, if y'all have a good drugstore one, go ahead and leave it in the comment box so I can go ahead and try it. But yes, this is pretty much going to be like a Milani drugstore haul, kind of, sort of. Not really, but a lot of the items, majority of the items that I did use are from the drugstore. The only one that I will say is not was going to be the Urban Decay eye primer, but y'all don't have to use that. You can use an eyeshadow primer, or excuse me, y'all can use an eyeshadow. You could use a concealer to prime your lid instead of using the eyeshadow primer like I did. So I did go in with the Milani Glided Nude palette. Oh my god, y'all, when I tell y'all this palette is so bomb, the colors are there, the butteriness of the eyeshadow is there, the blendability is there, girl. When I say everything is there, everything is there, period. I will not steer you wrong. Go ahead and cop that. If you have, you know, if you could go ahead and get it, go ahead and get it, because it's there, baby. It's there. The eyeshadow brush that I am using is going to be the Morphe 441 brush, and I'm using that to blend out the brown from that shadow in my inner crease because I wanted to kind of deepen it up a little bit. So that's basically what I'm doing right here. I'm just going back and forth and blending everything together and making sure everything is seamless and it looks nice, girl, because you don't want no crunchy eyeshadows. You want it to be seamless. You don't want nobody to be like, oh, girl, I see where that brown start, or I see where your transition start. We don't want none of that. So just go back and forth and make sure you're blending your colors to have a seamless look. Please excuse my baby. She's in my ear while I'm trying to do this voiceover, but I'm not going to start over, so... And I'm going in with the flat shadow brush, and that is going to be from E.L.F. Cosmetics. And I'm going in with that gold shade in the Milani Cosmetics Glided Nude palette. And that gold is so pretty, y'all. It's really pretty. This palette literally did everything that it needed to do for me today. Yeah, and that was just that. All right, y'all, and I'm going back with that brown, and I'm going towards the end of the gold, just making sure everything is blended seamlessly so y'all don't see the line of demarcation, because we do not want that, okay? And the next thing that I am going to be doing here in this lot is I'm grabbing my NYX liner in black, and I'm going ahead and using that to line my eyebrows. Ooh! Eyebrows, girl. I'm going to use that to line my liner. Y'all, I cannot talk when I do these voiceovers, so I'm going to redo this again. So I'm using the NYX liner, and I'm going to go ahead and glide that across my line. All right here I'm using the NYX eyeliner. This eyeliner is so bomb. Between my two eyeliners that I do use is between the NYX and the E.L.F. Those two are so bomb. Now I'm using Calamine lotion, and I'm spreading the Calamine lotion all over my T-zone area, which is going to be your forehead, your nose, your cheeks, and your chin. If you want to do your whole face, by all means, girl, go ahead and do that if that's what you want to do. But I'm just going to do it how you see me doing it right there. Okay. Now that we got that on, I'm using the Milani 2-in-1 foundation, and my shade is Chestnut. I'm using that E.L.F. shader brush, and I'm using that to spread the foundation over my face so I can get an even layer of foundation all over my skin, so you don't see no patchy areas or nothing, or missing areas that don't have foundation. So that's why I'm doing that right there. And I'm also going to go ahead and blend my foundation out with the Real Techniques beauty blender. Please make sure your beauty blender is damp. As you can see, I was squeezing out the excess water from the beauty blender, and I'm taking that and I'm patting that all over my face. Okay, y'all, I'm going in with my L'Oreal Infallible stick in espresso. It's a foundation stick, and I love using this as my contour. I have been using that shade as my contour for the longest. I can't even tell you how long I've been using that. It just works for me. It's a foundation, so it's blendable. So yeah, it just works for me. And as y'all can see, I'm using the Milani Cosmetics concealer, and the shade that I use is tan, and the number is 165. This concealer is so bomb, y'all. I ain't even gonna cap. Milani has some really great products. My favorite product from them is going to be the concealer. Like, that concealer is like no joke. It's so bomb. Like for real, it's so bomb. I need y'all to go ahead and try that. And I'm just going ahead and I'm tapping out my foundation, quote unquote, contour into my skin with that beauty blender, and I'm just gonna take my time and blend it. So y'all, I'm done talking. Just go ahead and watch the video, because everything else from here on out is self-explanatory, and I'm just gonna hush. Bye. I'll see y'all later.